In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix touchpad not showing up in device manager on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Right click at the start button, select device manager. Once device manager window is opened, you have to click on your mice and other pointing devices, expand the list. Then simply click on view and then click on show hidden devices. Okay, so that will appear from here. And also click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. And that will also appear from here if that is missing. And after that appeared from here, you need to make a right click and then select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Okay, so you have to make sure. And then if you right click, make sure this is not disabled. So if this is disabled, you need to make sure this is enabled. So right click and then select enable device. Okay, and then click on the start button and go to settings. Then you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down and click on touchpad. Make sure the touchpad is turned on from here. Okay, make sure this is turned on from here and click on more touchpad settings. So if you can find your touchpad right here for the tab, you can make sure that that is not disabled. Okay, so for the final method, we also need to make sure that we are running the latest version of our Windows or all the updates has been installed. So click on the start button and go to settings. Click on Windows Update on the left pane and simply click this button right here to update your Windows. Once you're updated, you need to close this and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. And that will fix the issue for you. So using those methods, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.